Oh, man.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Hi, baby.
Hey, baby.
Welcome.
Yeah, sorry, I just quickly stopped by to drop off the money I promised you.
Okay.
Yeah. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Take. That's the $40,000 I promised you.
What?
Are you alone in the house?
Yes, I know. Oh, my jacket.
Is this yours?
Oh, yes, mine.
Yeah.
Yes.
Is everything okay?
I was just lying on the couch. Yeah, everything is okay.
Okay. All right, that's fine. So, take care. I'll see you when I get back from work.
Oh, okay.
All right. Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. Come. Come out. Why are you guys doing this here?
Sir?
You are a man. If she doesn't know anything, at least you should have some sense. You people should use the bedroom if you can't afford a hotel and you want to use the house. What if somebody that knows me walks in here? What if one of the neighbors come and they see my wife with another man? That brings embarrassment to me. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Come
Sir,
on, use the room and make sure you lock the door when you want to have a good time.
Sir, you mean you're not angry?
I'll see you when I get back from work, okay?
Hi. Your husband is such a nice man. Eh? Is that how he behaves? He said we should go to the room and enjoy ourselves. Baby, get out! What's going on? Are you mad? Get out! You don't have sense. For you to act that way, do you know what he had in his mind? What is wrong with you? But you just heard him now. He said we should go to the man. And so then you want to take me inside and continue. Get out of my house. Get out! Get out!
Take this. What's that? What are you doing with the money?
Where are you going to now? Eh?
I am leaving this place to my village. If you like, you stay here. I know my husband. Keep that money.
Listen, even though we need to leave, let's go with this money.
I can see that you don't have sense. You do not have sense. Say, let me tell you, leave this state. In fact, leave this country if you can. Right now.
I know, I heard him now. He said we can continue. Why are you rushing?
Do you know you don't have sense? You don't have sense. See, I don't even want to waste my time here. I am going to my village right now.
Are you people leaving your phone?
Manage and take this one. But see, I am leaving you here. If my husband comes back and sees something that looks like you here again, I swear to God you will never remain the same.
Leave. I'll stay here. Let me come and do that thing you do.
You are an idiot. Come on, let's... No.